Hey, so today in this video, we are going to talk about the annual planner, digital annual planner, as you can see on the screen. So this planner will absolutely help you to stay more active, stay more productive, and become makes you accountable for the each and every activity that you do in your day-to-day life, right? So this is pretty much interesting, and this will also like enhance your uh, focus, enhance your discipline, right? So in this video I am going to show you how you can use this particular template, and how you can get most out of it, and also how you can get this template so that you can start using this, and you can make year 2023 is the best year of your life, right? So let's straight dive into this video. So first of all, thank you very much for supporting this channel. So this is the first video, first long form video of this channel. Before that, we have published a lot of valuable shorts which can help you to like make you better at Excel and Google Sheet, right? So let's first see like how you can use this template, how you can customize each and everything according to your convenience, right? So first of all, once you get this template, you will see there are a bunch of tabs, right? Bunch of sheets in this particular spreadsheet. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to come here, which is like customize here sheet, customize here tab, and in this particular tab you can customize each and everything according to your requirement, right? So for example, you can like you can change the month, starting month. So for example, right now it is January, right? But now you are watching this video in February and you want to start from the February, you can start it. You just need to change it from like January to February, or you can change it to March as well. So like for example, let me show you. If I if I make it March, then here it will be a March, it will be a March. Then it will start from the March to next February, right? So this is how it work. So as you can see, March from February. If I'll start from April, it will from like April to March. So this is how it works. And now let's give it January. Now another thing that you can change is like starting time, right? So for example, right now, let me show you something. Okay, so as you can see, here starting time is like 5 a.m. Now we can change that as well. So for example, if I put it here like 12 a.m., you can see it will start from 12 a.m., right? Okay. One more thing, you can also change the start day. Like you want to start your week from Monday to Sunday, or Sunday to Monday, you can do that. So right now let me put it like Sunday, and you can see in the calendar it will start from the Sunday. If I like add here Monday, it will start from the Monday, right? So whatever changes you are going to make here, it will reflect in all the sheets. So you don't need to change manually, you don't need to change each and everything manually, right? So this planner is very customizable, very flexible with all the things, right? Now uh, another thing is like you can set your favorite text here, like priorities. You don't want to put it like high, low, and mid. You want to put it like 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? You can put it like that. Whatever change you made here, it will reflect in this daily planner, right? So here, like if you put here 1 2 3, it will work. It will show you like 1 2 3. Okay. Now you can also change the categories. Like you don't want to work in these categories, you want a different categories, you can do that as well, right? So like that you can change each and everything. Right now let's look at another thing, quick links I'll show you later. Now let's come to the main part, which is like 12-month calendar, right? Now this is the mini calendar where you can set your top goals for that particular month, for entire year, right? So for example, in January you have certain goals that you want to achieve. You can write it down here. uh, if you want, you can add some rows to that so that you can write more. But basically, like, in a month everyone has like 3 to 4 goals, main goals. I'm not talking about like mini goals. Here you don't need to write mini goals, you just need to write high level goals, right? For example, if I lose 2 kg weight, right, that is the high level goal. Another mini goal will be like going gym daily, which is like mini goal, which is like an habit, right? So you don't need to do that, you just need to write down end results, which is kind of a goal that you want to achieve. So each and every month you can write it down here, and you can like then see what is achieved and what is not, right? So yeah, just like that you can do that. Then the one important part is this is the annual planner. So you don't need to copy this sheet each and every month. 12 month is in the one spreadsheet, as you can see, like C1, DP1, HT1, C2, C3. So like C1 is like first month, 2 is second, third is third is third month, right? So just like that, this is the annual planner, this is a 12-month planner. So yeah, this is pretty much very good feature. Like you don't need to use this sheet for each for the entire year, and then once the year is completed, you can copy this sheet and start it again, right? So C1 means calendar, right? The first month calendar. Here you can, what you can do is like you can add important event or task. So for example, right now today I have to record this video to explain you, right? So that is one kind of a task that I can add. So for example, today is the, let me show, like 19 January, right? So I can do that. Like you don't need to do anything, you just need to enter the date here. Then you can add task like record explanation video of annual planner, just like that, right? Once you do that, you can see here the task will be added, right? So that's how you can do. Let me put some more task. Okay. Also in the same date as well, I'll add some more ABC, right? So as you can see, like ABC I added, and it will be it already added into that date, right? So yeah, this is how it works. This is how you just need to enter here, it will automatically reflect here, right? So yeah, that is how it work. Okay. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this. Now let's look at the daily planner. This is one of the most important tab of this, because here you are going to plan your day, you are going to add your to-do list, you are going to add your notes for that particular day, you are going to add gratitude gratification for that day. So this is one of the most important part, and whenever you want to revisit this, you can revisit, because you already have this sheet in your Google Drive, or wherever you want to store it, right? So this is like your time wise planning. Like at this time I have this event or this task I want to start and complete. You can do that, right? You can just have to select category and event, right? Just like that, you can also add your to-do list here. But this is not time bounded. You can add like high category, which is like work, and then complete presentation, right? Just like that, you can add everything here. Now you can also like do that, do like this, right? Now if I copy this, so you can see this is the bar that will that is showing you that how much you have, how many tasks you have completed, how much percentage work that you have done today, right? So for example, out of 5 tasks you have, or you only have completed 2 tasks, which means you are at 40%, right? So yeah, that is how you can track your progress. That is how you can track that how much efficient you are, and how we can improve upon that, right, day by day. Now the second thing is like you can add your important notes events here, or you can add important notes here, right? Note you can edit here, events you can edit here. Then here you can add like what is that one, or what is that thing, what are the things that you are grateful for that, for on that particular day, right? So that is how you can use this tab. Now next tab is like habit tracker. Here you can add bunch of habits like gym, yoga, running, right, networking, reading, something like that, and then you can check mark once you done with that habit on that particular day, right? So this is how you can use this particular sheet. So this is for what about habit tracker. Now numeric tracker. So here you can add something like drinking water, right? Okay. And then you can add a goal of drinking 10 glass of water each day. So yeah, this is how you can do that. And here, let's say for example, on the 1st of January you only have you only drink like 6, then you drink 4, then you drink again 6, then you drink again 10, right? 2, 4, and 5, right? So this will show you how much progress you are making on each day by drinking water, and it will also show you like how many days you have completed this particular goal. So for example, we only have drink 10 glass of water only on only one day, right? So it will show you like one here. So it will show you that how much you are following your habit and where you need improvements, right? So that's pretty much it about this sheet, how you use it. Now let's talk about how you can get this sheet if you are interested to improve your life, improve your like making new habits and tracking your daily events and tasks to make your life better. So to get this sheet, link is given in the description box below. There you can click on that link and you can redirect to the Etsy, and from there you can get this template. So yeah, if you're interested, check the description box and the pin comments and click on the link and get this template. Yeah, so that's pretty much it about this video. I hope you like this video. I hope this template will help you to grow your life. So I'll meet you in another video. Till then, bye bye, take care.